Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm here represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, give me another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Aidonia. Yeah, man, the 4th gen boss. Aidonia. With 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, man, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Official music video. Jump in the one and see what did man. Let's go, man. Yeah, man. Aidonia. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Let's go.
Big project.
Production team, big up. Shane Creative, you shoot it, big up.
She never knows it's a be wild.
A girl song.
When you get the refile.
Alright.
So the thing going up. Fuck a bag of girl, baby, no make it worry you. Fuck a bag of girl, can't come, can't sum it up. Anytime I call, hey, girl, I better hurry up. Stay up.
Yo. Not because we not get a lot of music from Aidonia. Just know so when Aidonia drop a song, this song well put together, this song well carried on. Just know that. Again, did it? Bumbleclot. Again. Production team, big up on yourself. Yeah. Video clean like a dance with the book in high school, man.
She never knows it's a be wild. When you get the refile.
One Donia. Call him in this bumbleclot. Ready?
So the thing going up. Fuck a bag of girl, baby, no make it worry you. Fuck a bag of girl, can't come, can't sum it up.
Yo, baby, me fuck a bag of girl, no make it worry you. Remember, see a girl is there with the things say bumbleclot. I'm telling mama. A girl is there with just accept the fact, yo. No thing go badness.
Girl, baby, no make it worry you. Fuck a bag of girl, can't come, can't sum it up. Anytime I call, hey, girl, I better hurry up. Stay for the night, I feel lift up when the sun is up.
Hello. Hey, bring the post come and fuck it out. No. Hey, girl, bring this up, come and fuck it out. No. Badness. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Hey, no fuck up. Bring the boom come now.
When you get the refile.
Don't let for the girl them. Hey,
so
girl.
the thing going up. Fuck a bag of girl, baby, no make it worry you. Fuck a bag of girl, can't come, can't sum it up. Anytime I call, hey, girl, I better hurry up. Stay for the night, I feel lift up when the sun is up. Although your pussy good, me can't love it up. Although you know feel why make me body broke.
Yo, although you're bad in a bed, although you're something good, although you're something twice, me can't love it up, me can't fall in love with you. Cause we know what it's about. This is a situationship, it's not a relationship. Yeah, I remember saying probably have me one of me heart too. So yeah, I bad, you're bad. That's why I like it.
Although your pussy good, me can't love it up. Although you know feel why make me body broke. Sex in a Ross, big party and your tummy tuck. Like 2 wild dogs, yeah, so we fuck.
Bumbleclot. You're the comparison. Like 2 wild dog, yeah, so we fuck. Like 2 wild dog, I saw we dogo. Yeah. Remember saying it, you got the proper uko. Yeah, man, she has the proper uko. Her body well do up, tummy tuck, breast stiff up. You know what I think already?
Big party and your tummy tuck.
You know what I think already?
Like 2 wild dogs, yeah, so we fuck. Should make a kin on your face and come it up. So you never know what's on me tough. Me a fuck your friend from the same year cover bus. She find
Bumbleclot. Me and your friend did something from the same year Govy boss. Yeah, I will share Govy boss again. From them time there, me and your friend did something. So me I tell you straight. Here it a come from me, which you know already anyway. Cause you used to see me and your friend apart. So yeah, I saw it go.
So you never know what's on me tough. Me a fuck your friend from the same year cover bus. She find out her meds and me fuck it up. She know.
She find out. She know a long time, did it? She know a long time she and her friend talk. You wasn't no secret. Remember your superstar. So when the girl them I get peace from you, them I go tell them friend. Them know us a mind game she a play. Now listen to her, did she know?
She find out her meds and me fuck it up. She know say me wild, but
yeah.
a girl want service, pussy need aisle. Me a hoe.
She know say me wild. Yes man, other girl want service, pum need the aisle. Spark plugs have to change. I have to change. Make sure you change the filter them too.
She knows say me while bag a girl want service, pussy need aisle. Me a whole dog when you get the real file. Oh, me no.
Yeah, man, me a drunk or me a dirty dog, me a old dog when you get the real file. Yes. No, see, I've been around the block. Yes. No, see, I've been around the block.
This pussy need aisle. Me a whole dog when you get the real file. Oh, me number she have to read dial. And that's how the thing going on. So the thing going on. See him where yeah, so he go. So the thing going on. Girl, when my hand in me knee front. Right, that's up on the beach front. Put the top on your body, make you feel bump.
Mama went down my hand in my knee front. Right, that's up on the beach front. Right, that's up on the beach front.
That's up on the beach front. Put the top on your body, make you feel bump. Me feel for your threesome. Feel me deep down in your belly, deep down. Climax reach and a she come.
Climax reach and a she come. Yes, it's a race, but you have to come first, mama. Me not come first. Climax reach and a she come. Yeah. Make you feel the bump.
Down in your belly, deep down. Climax reach and a she come. Get sharp on my speed gun. Now me need some, so the thing going up.
Get sharp on the speed gun, did it?
Anytime I call, hey, girl, I better hurry up. Stay for the night, I feel lift up when the sun is up. Although your pussy good, me can't love it up. Although you know feel why make me body broke. Sex in a Ross, big body and your tummy tuck. Like 2 wild dogs.
Yeah, what's up with fuck?
She never knows it's a be wild.
Yeah.
When she get the refile, see him where yeah, so he go.
Yeah.
So the thing go.
So you know, Bumbleclot production team. I will produce it. Let me see. Big project, big up herself production. Yes, big project production. Big up. Yeah, she ain't creative. Big up on herself. Diddy! Bumbleclot, 4th Jenna boss. What can I say? Well, like I said, when Diddy put a song together, it well put together. The only thing is, we don't get a lot of it from Diddy. Does Diddy have to release a lot of songs nowadays? Yes. For your fans, them. Remember, say you have dieted JOP fans out here from them time. Remember, say you have 4th Gen fans out here who want to see more of Diddy on the front line. I put in the work, you know? But we kind of get the artists, them, yeah, I'm going to do them thing and stuff. Yeah, but it's bad. Anyway, we got the moms them in the video clean like Jesus Police record. Video in a 4K as well. So, yeah. This bad. 4th Gen, big up on yourself. Fire. What can I say? Said enough. Alright? Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comment section, and I'll be down there waiting. Alright? Pew.
You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying, span them and do up. Def them.